Whatever you focus on before you go into meditation, whatever you're thinking about, is going to happen, okay? Or it's going to take your mind there. What I want to show you is a 60-second meditation that you can do. To do this, you need some money and you must have an intention. It's the first thing I do every morning, okay? Good morning, all praise to the Most High, God is the greatest. I give all praise to the Most High, and I just share what I'm grateful for. And I take the money, because I always want more money, and I just look at the money, and I think about my intention, I think about my goal. And as you decide to relax, I want you to take a deep breath through your nose. And release. And I want you to do is close your eyes, okay? Think about your intention. Think about the thing that you want. And all I want you to do is think and see the money coming into your bank account. Focus on your breathing. I want you to move to the present. How does your dream look? How does your dream feel as if it's accomplished now? You're gonna find yourself feeling more peaceful. You're gonna find yourself, your intuition rising. You're gonna find your vibration rising. Hey, much love. This is Wesley Virgin. Let's go.